What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick lace front glue weave using the Body Wave Brazilian 100% human hair. You're going to need a closure. Yeah, you're going to need a closure. Then you're gonna make sure you protect your hair with a hair protector. You're gonna put that hair protector on your head with your wig cap. Yeah, make sure it's nice, protected, and secure. Then you're gonna make sure you add your closure to the top of your head. Make sure it's straight and set it to the angle that you want it. Yeah, make sure it's nice and neat and straight. You're gonna push the needle through and sew it. Yeah, that's the only sewing you're gonna be doing, guys. You're gonna sew the closure to your wig cap. Make sure it's nice and secure. I use an elastic band to secure it so it's not really in the way when I'm sewing it. As you can see, I'm actually sewing the closure to the top of my head. That's basically what I do for the closure. I sew it all the way around, make sure it's nice and secure, firm, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, that's basically how I sew my closure to my weave. I'm making sure that it's all straight. See, I want it to be a front part, so I put it at the front. You could put it to the side or wherever you want your closure to be, but it's a lace front and I want it at the front. Then I'm going to use my Got2b glue gel spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my wig cap just to keep it nice and firm. Make sure that it's intact, so when I glue it, it will be fine. That's the first pack that I'm going to be using. Like I said, it's a Body Wave 100% human hair. I buy it from Amazon, but you could always get your hair wherever you want to get it. Yeah, I'm gonna glue it to my head. So first I'm gonna be applying the glue to the hair and then basically press on it so that I could keep it secure. I didn't use a blow dryer. You could use a blow dryer if you want to use a blow dryer, but I feel like I don't really need one, so I didn't use one. But if you want to use one, that's your preference. You could use it. As you see, I'm actually putting the glue on the hair and then I'm pressing it onto my head, and that's what I'm going to be doing throughout the rest of the video, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, that's what I'm doing. I'm putting the glue on the hair. I measure it and then I cut it and then I glue it so I could get it the way how I want it. So basically that's what I do. I measure, cut, and then I glue it. Make sure you press it in, guys, because you're not using a blow dryer, so you have to really press it in and go over it to actually get it the way how you should get it. That's basically what I'm going to be doing throughout the rest of the video. I'm just putting the glue on the track. Make sure you don't put a lot of glue so you don't get it all over the place and create a whole mess. Just put adequate amount of glue on the track, and then you're gonna press it in. You're gonna press it in, make sure it's nice and secure. As you can see, I'm actually combing it through with my finger as I go along, checking to make sure that it's okay. That's the second bundles. Yes guys, I'm actually using 4 bundles with the closure. That's the amount of bundles I'm gonna be using. You don't have to use 4 bundles if you don't want to use 4 bundles, but that's what I want to use because I like my hair really full. Yes. I was actually goofing around right there, guys. That's so as you can see, I'm adding more glue to the track. That's basically what I'm doing, and I'm pressing it down as I go along. I press it in, make sure that it's secure, neat, and nothing is not lifting up. Yeah, so you just have to use your finger and run it across. Yes, just press it in, use your hand and press it in because you're not going to use a blow dryer. So basically you just pressing it in there. As you can see, as I'm reaching to the top, guys, I measure and then I cut and then I apply my glue. Make sure you measure before you cut and then you apply your glue so you could get the right measurement for your head. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, guys. I'm trying to not get the hair in it. Before, yeah, I had put an elastic band on the top of the closure to keep it out the way. As you could see, I was tucking it in. That's basically what I did. That's my third pack now I'm gonna be using. Make sure I get all my bundles in because, girl, let me tell you something. I love when my hair looking all slay. Yes, I love when it all slay and full. So I put all my bundles in. I'm not gonna waste my bundles or waste my hair or whatever. I'm putting everything in it, girl. Everything. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing. I measure, I cut, and then I add my glue to the track and then I glue it on to the head, and I actually use my finger to press it in. I'm not using a blow dryer, so that's it. I'm gonna press it in, make sure it's nice, secure. That's basically what I'm doing. Yeah. Comment down below, guys, and tell me if you like it or if you like my technique, and let me know if you want to see more hair videos, if you want to see more hair tutorials. Comment down below and let me know. Yes guys, that's the last pack that I'm gonna be using. As you can see, I cut it and measure and then I add my glue, and basically that's what I'm gonna be doing throughout the rest of the head until I reach the closure. Yes, you want to put it as close as possible so the track doesn't show, like, yeah, so the track doesn't show. Yes guys, this is like a wig where you could take it off at night and put it back on in the morning. Yeah, it is a lace front wig, a homemade lace front wig. Yes guys, let me know if you like it. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Help me reach at least 500 to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Don't forget to share my videos, comment, put a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below whatever hairdo you want to see me do, and I will do it for you guys. As you could see, I'm actually putting the track at the top. I measure, I cut, and then I glue my track. I'm pressing it in. Make sure you put it as close as possible, guys. Like the last track where the closure is, try to put it under the closure so that the hair could actually cover it and the track doesn't show. As you can see right there, I'm actually fixing it, layering it, make sure that it's nice and neat and secure. That's my finishing product. Guys, tell me if you like it. Yes guys, so basically I'm done with the gluing and I'm gonna do the lace front now, guys. I'm gonna show you how to cut your lace front nice and sleek. Yes guys, that's it, and it actually feels so natural, like it's my hair. It looks natural. So basically guys, I use the brush to brush it through to get rid of any loose hair, and this hair is actually a nice hair guys because it didn't shred or anything. It's a really nice hair. I could put the link in the description if you guys want to try that hair. I bought it from Amazon. It wasn't expensive too, it was okay. And this is the 10-inch guys. It's a 10-inch body wave. It's really nice guys. The texture is like everything. As you could see, I use my comb to push my wig cap in. Yeah, I didn't cut it because I feel like if I cut it, it's gonna be too loose, and I don't want it to be too loose, and when I take it off, it's much easier for me to put it back on. So I use the comb to push it underneath, and I use a stick razor, like one of those eyebrow razor. That's what I use to cut my my lace, so it gets a more natural look. You could use a scissors if you want, but I use this eyebrow razor to cut my lace. I'm actually fixing it. Then I'm gonna go through with the hair glue to glue my lace down, guys. I actually just put one coat on it. You could add 2 coats if you want, but I put 1 coat on it because eventually I'm gonna take this wig off anyway. So I put 1 coat on it, and then you press it in. Like I said, I did not use a blow dryer. You could use a blow dryer, but all I did was just give it a couple minutes to dry, and then I lay it down. Make sure that your glue is dry before you put the lace down. You're not supposed to see no white residue. It's supposed to be clear where you cannot see the glue. So you leave it, let it dry. Like I said, you could use a blow dryer, it go quicker. Then I'm gonna go through with my comb and comb it out. Yeah, as you can see, I'm putting some mousse on it. I'm brushing it through again, guys, and then I'm cutting my baby hair. Yeah, that's basically how I cut my baby hair. I put some mousse on it, and then I'm gonna actually comb it through. Yes guys, that's basically what I do. Hope you're enjoying this video. That's part of the finishing product, guys. It's quick, simple, and easy. You don't have to sew it, you just glue it, and all you got to do is just sew the lace and you're good. Yes guys, as you can see, I'm combing it in, combing the wave in. It's a body wave, so you know I use my tie to tie my edges down, my edge tie. And as you could see, I use my rod to put some curls in it, to make sure I get some nice curls in it. You could use a rod to curl it, or you could use a flat iron or whatever you want to use. As you can see, I brush it to make sure it's not tangled and to get rid of all the loose hair and everything. And that's my edges, guys. That's how I do. I'm gonna make a next video to show you how I slay my edges, but that's how I do my edges. It's easy, guys. It's quick and easy. No sew. All you gotta do is just glue and just sew the lace. That's the only sew you're gonna sew, just the lace. That's it. And it's quick and easy, guys. That's how I style it. Ooh, look at that. It's sleek. Yes, guys. I promise you, you will like this, guys. Trust me. It's easier, way easier than to sew all the hair or all the track to the head, guys. This is way easier and it looks so natural. Guys, you cannot tell. It is so natural. And that's the end. The finishing product of the hairdo. My hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Shav_Trinergy. Bye.